New this year for Ryobi, we've launched another innovative technology, 36-volt lithium fusion. This has combined ONE+ batteries to create 36-volt power. How we did it is we have two 18-volt 4-amp-hour batteries to drive a 36-volt motor. When combined, you can cut more than 550 square meters. This allows customers to be part of the ONE+ family, which has more than 35 tools. The ONE+ battery platforms are most successful, and there's more than 20 million batteries in circulation today. Just another example of Ryobi innovation with a clever design.